Welcome to Form Ninja. This is a Google Form add-on which will help you customize and send notifications whenever anyone submits a Google form. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have created this expense claim form on which I will be installing this add-on. Let us see how this works. For this, you need to click on the menu and open the add-on setup. On the welcome screen, you can see there are 3-4 types of customizations which are available here. You can personalize the email subject. You can send conditional notifications based on the responses to a particular question. You can assign a unique ID which will increment by 1 on each submission. This will help you track down the email response among bunch of responses. Then you can also add more email IDs to be notified on each submission apart from the conditional ones. Let us start. Now in the step 1 you can see I am adding the email IDs. Let us add some email IDs here. You can add more email IDs also. For the purpose of demonstrations, let us add something else like I've just added these two email IDs here. I can also choose to send a response copy to the person filling the form by ticking this checkbox. Let us click on next. This is my step 1. In step 2, we can customize the email subject. So how this works is you can put placeholders, question responses as a placeholder in your subject, right? So we can do this for two questions. So let us say first question is say expense header and second question is location. Okay, so how this will work is whatever the person will enter as a response to these two questions will come as a in the subject of the email notification which will go out. And in addition to these two, we can also enable the unique ID. Okay, let us enter the custom subject now. So we can enter any text. So let me start with writing new claim received. Then after that, let us say I want to add the unique ID. I will use this token for this particular value. Let me add question 1 now. Question 1 response, which will come as a placeholder in the subject. Then let us add question 2 here. Now this is the step 3 which is on conditional notification. Okay, so here you can do it only when your form has a question which is of a multiple choice type. Okay, for other questions this feature is not available. So in this particular form there are two questions which are of this particular type. Let us choose expense header. Okay, now we need to enter various email IDs on which if let us say person selects the sales visit in the expense, then it should go to some particular email ID, let us say sales department, or for operations visit, let us say it should go to operations department, and so on. So we can enter some dummy IDs here. Again, this is a dummy ID. You will have to enter your own email IDs here. So I'll just copy paste this to make it a bit fast. Maybe I will change some text here. Plus operations. Again, these are dummy email IDs. You can use specific email IDs if you want. Okay, so these are the configurations which we have done. Let us go next. Now here on the screen you can see what all settings we have done. Okay, so we added the email ID for each response. So every response will go to these two email IDs irrespective of the questions. This we have also enabled sender to send their response. Then we have enabled unique ID as well. These are the questions which we saved for customizing the subject. Then this is the custom subject line which we have added, and this was the final questions on conditional notifications. Let us save these settings and fill the form to see how the notification will look like. Let us add some email ID here. Start date of the claim, we can enter something. End date of the claim. So these are the any questions. You can put any questions of your choice depending on you are using this form for which purpose. And again, as you can see, this is a multi-purpose form. You can use it for whichever way you want to use. I will attach two files which were available in my PC. Yeah. So I have submitted the form now. Okay. So let us see how the notification is going to look like after I have submitted this form. So this is how the response looks like, right? So we had added these IDs. You can see these two were added in the beginning, and this is the response, respond like person who is going to fill up the form. Then this is the conditional one, right? After the in the last step which we selected. This is the custom subject. You can see this is what we had set up. These are the form submissions which are done, and these are the two attachments which we have come. So that's how this entire thing works. Thank you.